Good morning everybody. KVS is a system of premier central government schools in India that are instituted under the aegis of Ministry of Education, and it came into being on 15th December 1963. As on date, there are 1243 Kendriya Vidyalayas in India and 3 abroad. It is one of the world's largest chain of schools. The motto of KVS is Tattvam Pushan Apavaru, where the face of truth is covered by the golden vessel, golden lid. O God, please uncover so that the truth and dharma are visible. Kendriya Vidyalayas are envisioned as pace-setting institutions and also to act as laboratories. And the idea is that these KVs could, other schools could look up to KVs and learn about the good practices. An excellent example is the successful and effective switchover to online education during this pandemic period. Our teachers were trained through faculty development programs in the latest developments in online teaching learning activities, processes, and our students are getting benefited accordingly. Also, India is joining the program for International Student Assessment PISA again in 2021. The KVS will be the national option in PISA 2021 by Government of India. This will bring a paradigm shift as the PISA questions are not oriented towards rote learning. The CBSE also has decided to change their question paper pattern slowly, bringing it in line with the PISA. KVs are giving intense systematic training to all its students along with the target set of students. Back to Basics program, in which teachers focus more on learning than on exam scores, is a flagship program, academic program of KVS. To incite curiosity and kindle the spirit of research among students, the Sangathan started its Jignasa scheme in collaboration with the CSIR NIST labs. And accordingly, the CSIR 37 laboratories all over India now will be collaborating with nearly 350 Kendriya Vidyalayas, teaching over 1 lakh students. To expose students to the latest technological developments, the ePrajna project has been launched on pilot basis. As part of the project, 5,000 tablet PCs with the preloaded e-content based on the course material. They have been already distributed among class 8 students and their teachers at 25 Kendriya Vidyalayas, 1 in each region. The portals like Diksha, Swayamprabha, Vidyadan, etc. are being fruitfully used to enrich the ongoing online classes. CBSE is to introduce artificial intelligence curriculum, and KVS is ready to implement it, as our teachers are now being trained through our training partners and also through CBSE. A large variety of co-scholastic activities are being organized for the personality development, leadership training, mental well-being, and also to foster the artistic talents of students. The ongoing Fit India celebrations is an excellent example of the importance given for physical and health education in Kendriya Vidyalayas. Hope all our students are making maximum use of these planned activities for their physical, intellectual, emotional and psychological growth and development. On this KVS Foundation Day, let us all proud to be KVNs, and let us rededicate ourselves to take the prestigious flag of KVS to greater heights. Jai Hind.
Respected colleagues, and all my dear students. As you all know, today on 15th December, our Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is celebrating its 55th foundation anniversary technically and 57th anniversary actually. The KVS has actually started functioning in the year 1963 with some 20 regimental schools at different parts of the country. The humble initiative started in the year 1963 has now developed into an organization with 1,245 schools accommodating almost 14 lakh students and so more than 48,300 employees spread over 25 regions of India. And some of these schools are there in abroad also. KVS has successfully stuck on to its fourfold mission from the time of its establishment. These missions include: first one, catering to the needs of the children of transferable employees children of central government. Two, to pursue excellence in the field of education and to promote innovation and experimentation in the field of education and also to promote national integration. KVS has successfully adopted and implemented changing governmental policies, various advancements and developments in the field of education, developments in the field of science and technology, especially in the field of information and communication technology over these years. By keeping its vision in mind, that is to give value-based quality education to its students and also to promote and nurture the natural talents, enthusiasm and creativeness in students, KVS has implemented so many programs. All these programs actually proved to be very effective in the overall development of all its stakeholders, including students, both academically and non-academic areas also. It has resulted into the professional and personal growth of its staff. KVS has implemented so many programs all throughout these years. So many sports activities, starting from the cluster level to the national level, so many Olympiads, exhibitions in the field of science and social science, EBSP activities for national integration, and many other flagship programs, only to count a few of them. COVID times have been the real testing time for all the organizations, not only in India and all around the world. But because of the cooperation and support of all the enthusiastic and eager students, the dedicated and hardworking teachers, and the supportive parents and all the other stakeholders, our organization could impart some quality education to the satisfaction of all the stakeholders to a certain extent. This shows the real caliber and capability of the organization. KVS has produced so many wonderful personalities in various fields, including science, technology, arts, sports, business, media, etc., etc. To name a few of them may be an insult to the remaining huge community. So, to be part of the KVS is a proud and privileged opportunity for all of us. Let us love our organization and feel blessed to be part of it. We can all feel the proud to be a KVL. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Foundation Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Today, 15th of December is observed as KVS Foundation Day. I would like to share some information regarding Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. The Kendriya Vidyalayas are a system of central government schools in India that are instituted under the Ministry of Human Resource Development or MHRD. It comprises of over 1,094 schools in India and 3 abroad. It is one of the world's largest chains of schools. The system came into being on 15 December 1963 under the name Central Schools. Later, the name was changed to Kendriya Vidyalayas. All the schools are affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education or CBSE. Its objective is to educate children of the Indian Defence Service personnel who are often posted to remote locations. With the Army starting its own Army public schools, the service were extended to all central government employees. The uniform curriculum is followed by all these schools all over India. By providing a common syllabus and system of education, the Kendriya Vidyalayas are intended to ensure that the children of government employees do not face educational disadvantages when their parents are transferred from one location to another. These schools have been operational for more than 50 years. The Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, which is literally translated to Central School Organization, oversees the functioning of the schools with its headquarters in New Delhi. The administration of this body is based on levels. The chairman of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is always the minister in charge of Human Resource Development of Government of India. The real working power lies with the Commissioner of KVS. The head of a KVS region is Deputy Commissioner accompanied by an Assistant Commissioner. There are individual principals of every KV administering the school along with vice principals, headmaster or mistress. The Vidyalayas also have several committees for the holistic development of the students and well-maintenance of the school compound and system. The most important one is the VMC or Vidyalaya Management Committee, which is the head of all committees. Kendriya Vidyalayas are known for equipping their children to face the new world that they are going to by encouraging them for a lot of extracurricular activities all around the year, with the students doing all the duties in school from setting up a notice board to setting up the assembly ground. They are graduated out as full-fledged responsible citizens. I would like to conclude my words by saying that as every other, I am proud to be a KVL.
One of the most important parts of one's life. It lays the foundation for the rest of your life. It is a part of your life that you will most likely never forget, and the part where you learn the most important lessons in your life. And by lessons, I am not just talking about the lessons in your textbook. A warm good morning to one and all present here. I, Sri Lakshmi, out of class 12th B, am standing before you to share my experiences as a student in this school. It is a difficult task to sum your whole school life into a bunch of words. But I'll start with one of the first memories I have as a student in this school. I still remember the first time I came to the school in 3rd standard and stood watching the assembly holding my mom's hand. I never knew that day that I would enjoy my time here so much, nor that the bunch of little kids sitting in my class would grow up to become my best friends who know me better than I know my sphere. I would like to thank all my teachers and friends for making my school life so enjoyable and memorable. The teachers here have pushed me to do things I never even knew I was capable of. I still remember every teacher who has taught me during my time at this school. because each and every one of them have played a huge role in my life and have taught me something new. They have stood by me and supported me, and now as this academic year is nearing its end, I hope I can make them proud in the future. I would also like to thank my friends for just existing. My fellow students here, including my juniors and my seniors who already passed out, have been the best I could ever ask for. I have studied in several different schools, but the principal, the vice principal, the teachers, the staff and students at KVSAP are truly irreplaceable. I would also like to thank my teachers and friends for tolerating me for 9 years. Although I have not been a perfect student, they have stood by me and patiently corrected my mistakes. I would also like to thank the school for providing the students the best facilities and learning environment, whether it is the shady old building or the big new school building. So today, on the 57th Foundation Day of KVS, I want to say that I am proud of having been a KVN for 12 years, and I am honored to carry forward the legacy of KVS, because being a KVN is a completely different experience, and I am happy and grateful to have experienced that. Thank you and have a nice day.
भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा।
शिक्षा उपवन के नए फूल, संस्कृति सरित के नए कुल। शिक्षा उपवन के नए फूल, संस्कृति सरित के नए कुल। हम ज्योति दीप जागृत प्रपुत, हट जाओ तम के धूल शूल। हम ज्योति दीप जागृत प्रपुत, हट जाओ तम के धूल शूल।
तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय। यह मंत्र विश्व में छाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तन अनेक पर एक प्राण, स्वर अनेक पर एक गान। तन अनेक पर एक प्राण, स्वर अनेक पर एक गान। हम कण कण पर छा जाएंगे, बनकर भारत का स्वाभिमान। हम कण कण पर छा जाएंगे, बनकर भारत का स्वाभिमान।
तत्त्वं पोषण अपावृणु, तत्त्वं पोषण अपावृणु, तत्त्वं पोषण अपावृणु। का चंद्र ज्योति बरसाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय